Odyssey's back. It's been sitting in storage for a really long time. Unfortunately, the main reason we're getting it out again is to sell it. So
we've got a couple things to do. We need to touch up some of the paint, just wipe it down, and then just put some gas in her and get it running. And make sure to stay tuned towards the end because we're going to take it out for one final rip.
These nice knobby Go Power Sports tires. Still got air. We still hold air.
Looks sick. Alright, here goes nothing. First pull, let's see how many it takes to actually get it started.
Oh, yeah, that's so close.
Flip the choke. Finally out here. It's kind of bittersweet because we're selling the Odyssey, but we've made a lot of videos with this thing, but that was probably around this time last year. So I'm really excited to get back to it, and I think we actually messed with the carburetor a little bit. We did a little research while it was just in storage, and I think we actually freed up a lot of power and are really using the DG muffler to its fullest. And hopefully we're not going to be running it too lean or anything like that. So let's get to ripping this thing.
Go. Yeah, the brakes still don't work.
Yeah, Odyssey, I don't know. I think FL250 brakes are just like really bad. I don't know. I mean, I remember working on it a lot, but engine brakes pretty good, so we're just gonna send it.
Yeah.
What'd you think, Joe?
That was fun. And it's not super fast, but I mean on these dirt roads it's pretty fun. Without brakes it's a little sketchy because you can really overcook the turns, but it's really good especially out here. It's pretty perfect for this.
Yeah, so it did seem to be sputtering at the top end, so we are going to try to lean out the jet just a little bit more.
Yep.
See what that does for us. gonna set any speed records, but for like an OEM like Honda vehicle, it's really cool that they actually even made this thing. So yeah, I think we're just gonna keep ripping it. I think that carb adjustment did the trick. It's still a little poppy and stuff at high RPMs, but that's about as good as we're gonna get it. I mean, we're also just right about to sell this thing, so. But it's running pretty dang good. Other than the brakes, I think whoever gets it is gonna have a really complete Odyssey.
Yeah, it seems like this torque converter like wouldn't expand at all. It was just like only in the like maximum torque mode.
Yeah, that was cool for burnouts and
yeah,
stuff.
it was good for turning around.
Nice. All right, cool, my turn.
Daniel, calm down there, buddy. Good thing we got a harness. Came in a little too hot there.
We love Odysseys.
Steering's not good enough for that move. Money. How was it?
It was really fun. I mean, I never got to go fast because it was stuck in first gear or whatever you want to call it with the torque converter. But yeah, I mean, it was cool drifting it around and stuff. I mean, it really has no RPM when the belt's like, when the drive pulley is in. But yeah, hopefully we can get that fixed. I mean, it's just a basic 780 torque converter, so it's not that really big of a deal. But I think we're gonna end the video here. Thank you, Go Power Sports. This was one of our first fully sponsored builds by Go Power Sports. Everything is on here. If you have an Odyssey, Go Power Sports is where it's at for parts. You wouldn't think it because it's like Honda stuff, but they really have a lot of stuff that can make your Odyssey look like this. So other than that, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.